Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Now most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one because beginners will only start with one just to see if it works. So I want to show the type of results you get if you did that, the bare minimum, so to speak. You may make more than me, you may make less than me, but these are the results I'm getting, guys, and I'm just showing you that it works. Alright, so anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do all the things. Now let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business here. Is because simply it's a very nice product. It's a very good product. It's a funnel builder with no limitations on it in any way, some shape or form. You can make as many funnels you want, many pages you want, connect domains, all that good stuff, all types of stuff, no limitation. $25, it's a really good deal overall. If you ever was in the room to purchase a funnel builder, you know that's a really good deal. The most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels. It's $97 per month with a ton of limitations on it, including how many people can see your funnel, to be fair. And if you want to get rid of all these limitations, you have to pay $300 per month. That's you could pay for this for a year, for ClickFunnels for a month. Think about it. And it's just insane. Now, I used to pay that, guys. I used to pay it. Don't pay it no more. Don't pay it at all no more, but I used to pay that. But anyway, guys, yeah, it's a really good product, and yeah, that's the first reason there. The second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested in promoting the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is insanity, guys. That's the highest I ever heard, highest I ever seen. And to get y'all understanding that how much money the customer spend, that's how much money you make. You get the 80% of whatever the customer spend. And you get it monthly because it's a monthly system, and so you can slowly build your income using. You don't necessarily. In some months I don't get as many sales as I did the month before, right? But my money's still increasing because people are staying in the system and people are still joining the system, so to speak. So that's important. I say this, and this is my belief: always promote products that have monthly commissions, because you can build income with that. You don't have to stress yourself with getting so many sales. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, yeah, that's all it is to that. So let's check our results here. We're gonna refresh the page here to show real results and make sure you guys know that they're real results. Here they are. Let's see here. It looks like, oh, we did get a sale yesterday. What? Okay, we got a sale early this morning before I started making this video, actually.
Nice.
Like that, man. We got a sale. It might be recurring. I have to check. You guys will know when I make the thumbnail. And yeah, made a sale. And so yeah, sometimes it's just that simple, guys. Just slowly keep building up on it there, and you slowly start building income there. And it's at the beginning of the month too, where I usually don't really have that many sales coming through, which is very good. And yeah, all right, so make sure that people refresh their page when they show you results as well. I want to mention that because it's very easy to change all these numbers to look like whatever they want it to look like. All right, guys. All right, so let's go on to My Lead Gen Secrets over here, and we're gonna click on all our leads here. By the way, you can look at the name and stuff of all these leads under My Leads. You can check them all, the emails and all that if you want to. Yeah. And so we're gonna go to our next email on the list here, which is this one here, building my money up. We're just gonna load that in like that. Boom, boom. Then we got our email here. Gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time for people to check the email. And like, you can pause and copy the email you want to. I make sure to do this every time just in case you guys are interested. You know, you find this video and you like, I want that email, you can just copy it from here. And yeah, you just put that in like that. and you're pretty much done. You can just put your link right here, and the link that you want to promote is all-in-one $25 business. The reason why I promote this link because it promotes 2 recurring income products here. One is $20 per month, one is $100 per month. This is where I get my $100 commissions from. I know guys have been asking me about that often lately, so I've been trying to show you that it comes from both of these. I get $100 a month from a couple of people in my system, and I get $20 a month from a lot of people in my system. So anyway guys, that's that. And yeah, so we're gonna send it like that there, and make sure your link works. I know mine works because I've already sent this email, and we just hit send email and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Every morning, just do this real quick. Like, you can even make YouTube videos like me. I seen one person start making YouTube videos like I have, and they starting to get sales and stuff. They showing their results. They starting to get sales and stuff. So yeah, guys, it works, man. Just work on it. Just be consistent like I've been every day. I've been doing this for I think this is the 99th day. Doing this 99 days, just consistently. You already got your content. Your content is the results that you get. That's your content. Rest of it just kind of fill the information that I'm talking about here, just in case somebody runs into this video here. They YouTube algorithm is weird, so they might see my 99th video before they see my 37th video or my first video. So that's why I go across and alliterate the same thing in every video every time, just in case. And I want to make sure you guys understand that if y'all are interested in making YouTube videos as well. So that's all there is to that, guys. Like I stated before, you interested in following along and joining, make sure the links are in the description below. I meant to say, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.